Several boats sank at Trump parade on Lake Travis, County, Texas. Travis County emergency crews responded to reports of several boats in distress on Lake Travis, near Austin, Texas. The boats were part of a parade that was underway to show support for the re-election of President Donald Trump. We responded to multiple calls of boats in distress. Several of them sank, but there are no reports of fatalities or injuries, and investigators have not determined how many boats sank on the lake near Austin, according to Sheriff's spokesperson Kristen Dark. Dark said the cause was under investigation, but there was no indication of an intentional act. "We have no reason to suspect foul play in any of these sinkings," Dark said. State Senator Dawn Buckingham posted the video below earlier in the day.